Hi, everyone. Welcome. My name is Barbara Versick, and I am a fourth-year student studying computational mathematics at the University of Waterloo. And I'm here today with Riley, who will tell us more about BMath data science. Hi, Riley. Why don't you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit more about yourself?
Hi there, I'm Riley, and I'm a lecturer in the Statistics and Actuarial Science Department. Also an academic advisor, and I've been doing this since about 2007, so I've been doing it for a little while now. It's a lot of fun.
It sounds fun, for sure. So let's get started then. My first question would be, can you tell us a little bit more about BMath data science? Like, what is it all about,
Sure. So BMath data science is basically what happens or what you get when you mix statistics with computer science. It's the two fields merged together. And essentially what it does is it uses algorithms and statistics to analyze and look at large data sets.
Sounds very interesting. All right, well, what do you love most about it? What do you think is the most exciting about BMath data science?
The most exciting thing about this field is that it's brand new. It combines computer science, statistical techniques to problems that didn't exist even 10 years ago. It's cutting edge math. It's right on the edge of your seat.
That's very exciting and definitely very applicable to today's world. And what do you wish students would know before picking BMath data science as a major? Is there any advice you have for future students?
Yeah, definitely. One of the things that you should know is that you've got to be good at both computer science and math. It's also competitive entry. So by that we mean that we take in roughly 16 students a term, and we look at a computer science, a math, and a cumulative average for admission. Averages tend to be somewhere between the mid 70s and low 90s, depending on who applies. In addition to that, there's also a BCS data science, and that one you can apply to as well. It has a separate admissions process, so it's possible to be accepted to one or both programs at the same time. Thank you.
And speaking of the CS data science major, what would you say is the main difference between those two?
So the BCS plan is basically computer science with statistics on top. And in addition to that, they need the depth and breadth requirements of computer science. So computer science requires you to take a certain number of courses in a non-math field, as well as a certain level of them as well. The BMath version is basically a statistics degree with some added CS, with some added computer science. And for the second communication course in that case, you would take Methyl 300. Those are the two main differences.
Okay, thank you for clearing that up. And what kind of career would you pursue if you got a, degree as a BMath data science student?
Well, the nice thing is this field is so brand new that at the moment, the sky is completely the limit. You can start with being a data scientist, so that field is now fairly open. However, anything that a statistician or a computer science major can do, you're essentially being trained to do. So in statistics, for example, places that you could go are manufacturing managers, senior science, business analysts, investment advisors, etc. And you have the same opportunities in computer science as well. So lots of opportunities with this field.
Thank you so much, Riley, for telling us more about this new exciting field.